Okay, I'm going to start adding some sharp rocks, some angular rocks up in here. Give it some form like I've done on this side over here. Break up some of the white, rushing water. This left side needs to have some dark areas pretty strongly because I'm going to create contrast, and the water is very wet there, and that way this could be a rock in front of the waterfalls, this rock here, or it can be the same rock edge but just very wet over here. And you can see it take form as I'm adding. You can kind of place some rock in there pretty randomly. I want this edge to be dark. Next, I'm using a slightly lighter tone. It'll be a softer feel. And I can also soften up some of these harsh black rocks.